Hello everyone. Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the National Tree Company 6 feet pre-lit North Valley Spruce Slim Artificial Christmas Tree, a perfect addition to your holiday decor. If you're looking for a tree that combines elegance, convenience, and durability, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the link to buy on Amazon at the top of the description. This 6-foot slim North Valley spruce is ideal for apartments, condos, or smaller spaces without compromising on that classic Christmas tree look. With 636 lush tips, this tree delivers a full, realistic appearance, providing the illusion of a much larger tree than its slim profile suggests. The branches are crafted with a combination of PE and PVC materials for a lifelike texture and layered depth, giving you the perfect backdrop for ornaments, garlands, and lights. One of the standout features is its pre-lit design with 250 clear lights. No more tangled cords or separate stringing, simply plug in, and your tree is ready to shine. The clear lights are evenly spaced across the branches, producing a warm, festive glow that enhances the holiday ambience. Plus, the lights are LED, ensuring energy efficiency and long-lasting performance for many Christmas seasons to come. Setup is a breeze thanks to the included metal stand and hinged branches, which allow the tree to easily fluff to your preferred shape. The slim design also means it fits snugly in corners or tight spaces, making it versatile for any room layout. Storage is simple as well. Once the holidays are over, you can disassemble it, fold the branches, and store it compactly. Whether you're decorating with family traditions, hanging ornaments, or adding a tree skirt and presents underneath, the North Valley Spruce delivers a perfect mix of beauty and convenience. Its realistic appearance, pre-lit feature, and easy assembly make it a top choice for anyone who wants a hassle-free yet stunning Christmas centerpiece. So if you want to elevate your holiday decor this year, grab your National Tree Company 6 feet pre-lit North Valley Spruce Slim Artificial Christmas Tree on Amazon now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews.